Henry Conwell was an Irish-born Roman Catholic bishop in the United States. He became a priest in 1776 and served in that capacity in Ireland for more than 4 decades. After the Pope declined to appoint him Archbishop of Armagh, the diocese in which he served as Vicar General, he was instead installed as the second Bishop of Philadelphia in 1819. Conwell took up the post at an advanced age and spent much of his time there feuding with the late trustees of his parishes, especially those of St. Mary's Church in Philadelphia. When Conwell removed and excommunicated William Hogan, a controversial priest at St. Mary's, the parish trustees instead rejected Conwell's authority, creating a minor schism. The two sides partially reconciled by 1826, but the Vatican hierarchy believed Conwell had ceded too much power to the layman in the process and recalled him to Rome. Although he retained his position, Conwell was compelled to relinquish actual control to his coadjutor bishop, Francis Kenrick. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.